Well, a lot happened throughout the sunrise side during the nighttime hours. Yes, we saw temperatures, especially inland, fall into the single digits. In Alpena, we actually broke a record low. We bottomed out at 10 degrees this morning. Previous record was 13. And also during the overnight hours, we saw snow building throughout the area. So this morning we did wake up with the white coating on your lawn. So yes, a lot did happen during the nighttime hours. And despite all the sunshine we have received during the daytime hours, temperatures have really not warmed up too much. We're about a good 20 degrees below average for this time of the year. Thank you for tuning into your Friday evening weathercast. Beautiful day though, 22 in Mayo, 25 in Oscoda, 23 in Rogers City. Those winds mostly coming out of a northerly direction, out of the northeast at 5 in Tawas, 5 in Alpena, out of the northwest at 3 in Rogers City, and even lighter the further west you go, only 2 miles per hour in Atlanta and Mayo. Now, when you factor in those temperatures and those winds, what it actually feels like outside, during the nighttime hours, we actually had negative wind chills, but now we're starting to moderate towards that 20-degree mark. 19 in Oscoda is what it feels like, 18 in Alpena, 10 in Ironwood, 24 in the Motor City. So it's all about staying warm today, and even into tonight, we really are dominated by high pressure. There is a couple of lake effect snow showers scattered throughout the entire Great Lakes, but there's actually more defined line of snow showers into parts of Minnesota. This is actually going to be associated with our next disturbance that will come in sometime late tomorrow afternoon. So here's how it's all going to play out. High pressure will begin to slide over towards the east throughout the day. On Saturday, we'll start increasing those clouds tonight and into tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, that's when we'll start seeing that snow picking up. Accumulations at least between 1 to 3 inches in some areas. And then by the time we get towards Sunday, that's when it gets a little bit more tricky. We could introduce the chance of an actual mix. So yes, there is the chance for some rain to develop as temperatures continue to creep up tomorrow into those 30s, and even a chance to get towards 40 degrees on Sunday. Now the good news on Monday though, we begin to say goodbye to all this mess. We begin to see high pressure really taking over once again, and this time around, it's really going to bring warm air because the storm that follows after will actually be more of a rainmaker compared to snow. So here's the day planner for tomorrow, which is Veterans Day. Sunset occurring at 5:09 p.m. Temperatures warming up to 33 degrees. 30% chance of snow, mostly by the late afternoon, and then really doubling those chances by tomorrow night at 28 degrees. So really not falling too much. For tonight, however, we will see those temperatures descend into around 10 degrees once again, but then beginning to warm up as we go in towards sunrise, and then the extended outlook, we get back into those 40s next week.